In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and update employee time leave. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location or your enterprise selected, then click on Time. Once you arrive at your time page, go to your new top menu bar and click on Analyze. From the drop-down menu, select Leave. If you don't have any current leave requests, you won't see anything here at the moment. So I need to find a date or date range that has a leave request. To do that, I'm going to change this from day to week. So I will click the arrow next to day and choose week. Then if I knew the date of a leave request, I could click the calendar icon and select that date. Instead, I'm going to use the back arrow to when I know there is an employee leave. So I'll click this arrow, and now there's an employee leave in the column to the left. So I will click on that entry. Now I can see the details for this employee leave. I can see who the employee is, what they requested leave for, and the date range. I can also see the details for the individual days this employee has requested off. I can see the date, the schedule type, the leave hours, and the total time. Let's say that this employee actually was able to work a half day before her jury duty started, so I need to change that first time entry. To do that, I will use the arrows next to the 8-hour leave. So I'm going to click down until I reach 4. I could have also deleted the 8 and replaced it with a 4. If you're happy with your changes, click Update. And now this employee's leave request has been updated. Notice that a red minus has occurred next to time. That's letting you know there's a discrepancy in what I entered and what has already been logged. So now I'm going to choose Sync, and that will sync these two entries. That's how you can view and adjust employee time leave. Check out the next video to learn how to view employee attendance.